YouTube, there is no firearms in this video.
Audio synchronization, Beeman with Jsb 18.13 grains. Thank you to Shoot for the microphone. Can you stop making noise? Thank you. Welcome back to the Low-Key Air Gunner YouTube channel. In today's episode, I will be shooting the Beeman Chief II 3000 PSI in synthetic stock, aka the Plus S. I got this rifle and optic from Airgun Archery Fun, and he also sent me those pellets to try in it. Those are Jsb Jumbo Heavy 18.13 grain. The rifle is currently at 8 turn on the hammer spring, which gives us a peak of around 960 FPS at 2300 PSI using Crossman hollow point 14.3 grains. Yet it looks like it did prefer the lighter pellets with this other tune, which does confuse me. The brimstone pellets, which are 18.67 grains, seem to perform better at 7 turn on the hammer spring out of the box. So yeah, tuning does matter for pellet to pellet, and I'm still trying to figure out which pellet is the best. And thank you a lot to Wes at Airgun Archery Fun for the pellet samplers that allows me to shoot in this cold morning. There is a little bit of wind. My fingers are already frozen because it's like 11 degrees Celsius, and that's a hot day at this point. Leaves are falling. We will be using the magazine like every other pellets that I've tested with this June. Oh, and by the way, I feel like this morning, so I might not shoot that great, but hopefully we can get a good idea of this pellet performance. That was a long intro just for the ones that doesn't like to listen to me. Alright, so like I said, I'm not feeling that good today. I don't know if I will be a good shooter myself. The wind does seem to pick up a little bit, even though my friend Alnus doesn't have any more leaves to show you that. But yeah, hopefully we get good results and this tune is good. So the rifle was at 2900 PSI when I left home. It is colder here, it is now at 2800. Our best 10 shots should be in between 25 to 2100 PSI. So I will shoot a few at a target until I get to 2500 and see what happens. I will try to be consistent with my position and stuff, but yeah. That was I, which is weird. Or maybe not. If it is going slower, it might curve faster. It's looking pretty good yet. Okay. Let's do 8 clicks left, 16 down. Alright, so will that hit closer to where I want it to? I hate the wind. Do you like it? I don't know why you all like the wind. You're a fat. That's a bad joke in 2023. Don't do this kind of jokes. I think I literally said what I was about to do, and I said I was going to adjust it to the left, which doesn't make sense. I'm just over 2600, so I don't have a lot of shots to waste like that. Okay. Alright, so I did 16 in the opposite direction. Let's see what happens now. I almost turned the wrong way again, so yeah, I don't feel really great today. I was sick for a month and I don't know if I'm 100% just yet. That's more like it. I will give it like 4 clicks up just for fun, and maybe have a good 0 if those pellets perform good, but I don't have much more air to waste. I'm pretty much right around 2600 right now. Alright, so If we don't mention that I did 4 clicks up, that's pretty good. Holy crap. That's pretty bad. Let's wait a little bit. I think I pulled this one and the zero is not that good, but I believe that's all the air that we got, and the wind is pretty bad right now. I'm just a bit over 25. I don't know if I want to shoot one more or not. I will go like this, but if the first one is weird or first two, let's assume that it was not the best pressure range, but yet those seem to shoot pretty good. Let's see. And I believe my magazine is getting a bit loose. I will have to check that later, but you know, the more I use it, the more I have to say for the review, and I will say also negative things. I don't want to make this rifle look bad because I like it, even though I've not been able to get the best results ever with shot, but you know. I don't know. Was that right on top of it? I might have pulled this one a little bit. That's good. I think I did pull this one again, but I really don't know if I can pull them that bad. Is it a flyer? Who knows? The wind is getting pretty bad, honestly. It doesn't really stop. We are a tiny bit under 2400 right now. The peak is at 23 from what I remember. I'm getting annoyed because I think there's a part of me causing this bad accuracy, and now I wonder how bad I did affect the JTS group, because I also did not feel that great. I really don't know, but let's keep shooting. We are a tiny bit under 2200. I'm not really happy with my shooting, to be honest. Let's go take a look at that. Alright, so I believe I got 3 right in there. That's still not bad. That's like 1 inch. But we did get a point of impact shift at one point. I don't really know what to blame at this point. I think I will shoot like 5 here, but we gotta dismiss this one. You know, I'm not in the best pressure range, but if we can keep the same point of impact, maybe I just started too early in the pressure range and we still get like under 1 inch in some pretty bad wind. That could be okay. I don't know. Let's see. No more battery in the microphone, so I will shut up. So let's do a recap. It was shooting there. The first 2 landed there. I might have pulled this one. Then I adjusted the wrong way down. So I was shooting there. I gave it the opposite numbers of click, but the other way. I was landing here. I gave it like 4 clicks up, and it didn't seem to move that much. Okay, I don't know if that's a flyer or I don't remember if it did move up at the end. So then I moved to the best shot curve pressure range, you know. And it did start very well with 2 or 3 there and then 1 flyer. Then we got the weird point of impact shift. I don't really know why. I was not waiting for the wind at all on this 5-shot group, and I did notice that when the wind was blowing pretty hard, they did land like this way, and when it was not, they landed here. So maybe this is all on the wind. Now I kind of want to clean the barrel and try those again in the next video, and I really don't know if that's a good idea because there is not a lot of time left before winter is here. The soybeans are pretty orangey. Trees are losing leaves. We can almost see in the woods to bunnies, you know. So yeah, I don't really know if we'll I don't think I will do a proper outro because this is not really conclusive. I had a weird point of impact shift. I don't really know why. Is that the wind? But they did seem to group very freaking well at the same time, so I want to try those again. I will give JTS pellets another try too, but you know, I'm out of time to do all of this. I just want to get it shooting good, get the best results I can before the review, but nothing has been playing in my favor. Thanks to Airgun Archery Fun for this opportunity, and I will see y'all in the next one.